Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a little product review. I got this Saferest mattress protector. I really like it actually because it doesn't feel like it's like vinyl or anything, because this material actually here is terry. My only problem with it is that it was a little, like, after I would wake up, it would just be, I'd be slipping and sliding, and it was just a little loose, too loose for me. So what I ended up doing was I found this system called Bed Scrunchie, and it's this high quality cord that basically attaches to the elastic with these clips like this. So I'm going to be trying this out with this mattress protector, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I put the scrunchie on with this mattress protector. What it looks like underneath here, you see how that's pulling? So I have two of them on. I have it on the topper and the protector. And I am loving it. Look how it's pressing down these corners. So yeah, I'm so happy this system is going to work for me, because the slipping and sliding was just really annoying. And that's showing you just a little bit of what it's doing. Perfect.